In today's simple tutorial video, I'm going to show you how you can use ChatGPT on your phone. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. So first of all, you need to open your internet browser and in the search bar, you need to type ChatGPT. Click on this first link and then click on this try ChatGPT option. Now wait for a few moments. Click on the sign up option. Now create an account or you can just use your Google account to log in. Enter your username and click on continue. Enter your phone number now. Once you have signed in, you will be directed to this page and this is where all the fun begins. In this search box, you can enter whatever you want and ChatGPT will complete your command. So I want ChatGPT to create a presentation for me on the Bermuda Triangle. Once you have typed in your command, click on the search option. And as you can see that it has started to create a presentation for me on the topic. So that was it for this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.